WBW sample draw panels are custom designed to fit the application. All our panels are assembled with the finest components available. The panels can be constructed with brass and copper or stainless steel fittings. This panel utilizes dual inlet filters so that one filter can be valved out to perform an element change while the other filter is in operation. It was designed for a Class 1 Division 1 installation. This is an operational test of the sample draw panel. The supply pressure is 80 psi. I'm setting the aspirator pressure to 30 psi. The bypass flow is set to 4 liters a minute, and the sample flow is set to 2 liters a minute. I can open the flows to maximum on both rotometers, demonstrating that the aspirator and filter configuration is capable of delivering excess sample flow. The panel is equipped with dual inlet filters that can be valved in during operation. Watch the flows as I change the inlet filters using the inlet and outlet valves. The flows recover quickly. Dual inlet filters are provided so that an inlet filter element can be changed without disturbing the sampling process. A leak check of the panel can be performed by placing a finger over the sample inlet and watching the rotometers. They will drop to zero in a few seconds. When the panel is sampling in the normal operating mode, the sample enters at the sample inlet on the right and flows through one of the inlet filters. It then enters a hydroscopic filter before being delivered to the sensor. The hydroscopic filter assures that a clean, dry sample is being delivered to the sensor. The aspirator pressure is normally set at 30 psi. Low pressure keeps the air usage to a minimum. The air usage, measured at 30 psi, is about 23 standard cubic feet per hour. If you raise the pressure on the aspirator to 50 psi, the air usage goes up to about 30 standard cubic feet per hour. Setting the aspirator pressure at 30 psi is enough to maintain a constant flow through the sensor. The aspirator is located behind the regulator to assure the aspirator pressure is constant. The panel is equipped with an explosion-proof sample flow sensor that has alarm contacts built into the sensor. The sensor monitors the flow through the transmitter and will alarm if the flow drops too low. Here we have an ohm meter connected across the normally open contacts of the sensor. The sensor contacts are set to open at 1.6 liters a minute and close at 1.8 liters a minute. The nominal flow through the sensor is 2 liters a minute. You can find out more about the sample draw panel and other products that WB Wells Company sells at 412-221 0390 or at www.wbwellsco.com.